Hi guys, this is Trading with Pen. The Trading Pen. Yes, welcome to the Trading Pen. My name is Mr. Pen, aka Mr. JPY. So on this video, it is exactly 10 a.m. This is London section, but my normal time is 8 a.m. Watt to 12 p.m. Watt. And as you can see from the chart display, above the chart display is my Notion dashboard, my own trading notebook. Okay, I have my physical one. Hope you are with your own, and I am also with my pen. Hope you come with your pen too, because number one rule here is what? Come with your pen and come with your journal, because you have to write things down, and without you writing things down, there is a high probability that you will be able to forget about everything. So let's go straight. Let me tell you step by step what made me to partake on this trade. Okay, though actually the trade have not yet given me what I want by tapping into my fair value gap, but I believe. Okay, let's just give it a gap of 12.30. But exactly, I should have entered from this trade. But I didn't. Where would I have entered? When price was here, exactly after the formation of this, you can see my cursor. That is where my entry would have been taken from. But I didn't enter because of my rules. You should have your rules, and number one of them is what? For confirmation, entry confirmation, you must see a gap which shows that the momentum have changed to the direction of your trend. But let's go back to 4 hours, because 4 hours is my narrative, the place I got my point of interest, and you will see how fantastic everything is. It is best to focus on just one pair than to trade thousands of them, complicating your lives and everything. Just have one, call your fave. And Mr. JPY, why do I choose JPY? It is a safe haven asset. I know you guys will be like, what is a safe haven asset? Actually, a safe haven asset is something that no matter what happens, the world still need it. Are you telling me that you don't need USD you need the USD because it is a reserve currency? Okay, you need USD because it is a reserve currency, and you need JPY because it is a safe haven currency. Okay, you have to know why you need something before you do it. Let me give you an example or a scenario here. Okay, let me give you a scenario here. Imagine what exactly? I know that is what you'll be asking me. Imagine what exactly? Imagine that there is a war. Just say imagine. I don't mean that there will be war. Okay, I don't mean that. But when I mean imagine, I mean you imagining it. There is war. What do you think everybody will go for? Okay, what do you think everybody will go for? Hi, it's Mr. JPY here. Okay, everybody will go for a safe haven asset. Yes, a safe haven asset. Now let's forget about the too much talk. Let's go step by step on what happened exactly. Let's go on what happened exactly. If you can see my cursor, congratulations to you, you just made it. Okay, straight up to the talk. You can see exactly here the price gave us this fair value gap here as internal range. All right, this fair gap here as internal range, price gave us, and price retested by filling it, which gave us this break of this weekly buy side liquidity, which is our external range, of course. Then we see that price gave us, after coming down, there's another gap here, which is a small gap. Yes, here it is a small gap here, and price came back still again using this internal range, the most visible one that you can see, as our support zone. Then from there I scale down to my 15 minutes time frame. Remember I told you guys that 4 hours is my point of interest narrative for the day. I use them for daily buyers because I'm a kind of a part-time trader, from 8 a.m. to 12:30 highest, or 1 o'clock. But I don't like going from 1 o'clock, just highest 12:30. And anything that happens from 12:31 down is all their concerns. So I missed this trade. Here is a fact and why I missed the trade. Look at here. Price came into here. Yeah, I marked this as my 15 minutes. I marked this zone, if you can see it, as my 15 minutes. My 15 minute demand zone, and you can see that even if I placed buy limit here, price would have taken me out on a normal, because I will put my stop loss just below there. You see, price will still take me out. Now I'm waiting for confirmations. Here is what happened. Price came, rejected here, give us this high, then came back without breaking this high, this low, giving us a divergence here. You can see the divergence there. So I marked this bearish fair value gap as price has given us a bullish gap here. But you know what, the exact mistake I made here, it's not that my narrative is wrong, it's just that my perspective is wrong. I forgot that this is a breaker block. You can exactly see that is a breaker block right there. Let me change the color. Okay, now what did price do? Price filled this gap. There's a gap here. Why? Look at the arguments. This is one thing I always say to people. Understand the argument here. And I'm just telling you guys, this is why I missed this trade. Apart from me missing the entry here, I should have entered here, which I've seen the rejection, seen the divergence. This place is my next narrative. But why didn't I enter? Because of the gap. I'm looking for a fair value gap. Since there's no liquidity sweep here, okay, they should give me a fair value gap. Okay, that is the narrative. You can actually see the price come, rejected all the way from this breaker block here. Forget my drawings, you can actually spot it well. Okay, you can actually spot it well. Using that example, what else do you think price will do? Price has already given us a break of structure here. Fact. And even if I entered from here, let me say, okay, that other block as a continuation, we entered and we place 3R is my target. I don't enter more than 3R. I don't enter more than 3R. So my 3R is here. This is USDJPY, so I've already known the point. Okay, this is I will be risking here because my stop loss will be below here. I'll be risking 11, let me say 12 pips. 12 pips to target 61.2 pips. That is a very massive one. And if I've entered from this zone that I was talking about here, if I have entered from this zone that I'm talking about here, here to target here, you see, to target the same 3R, you see, that is exactly where price came and rejected from. But this will now make me to risk more, which is 12 point something pips, and that is not what I'm here to risk. Okay, so to be frank, I missed this. Yes, but what did I learn? Okay, I learned that price, using the arguments that is on board, okay, using the argument to frame it, that price goes in two ways, from internal to external. This is the external range. This is the external, and price have already given us external range. Now, for us to participate on this trade, if purposely we have to scale back to 4 hours time frame. Okay, we have to go to 4 hours time frame and wait for what? Another internal range liquidity. The day is still big, and if you are doing that, you should pay attention to the word forex factory. Okay, you should pay attention to forex factory. So now we are waiting exactly to see if price will reach this hour 3R. But normal, it will reach. Not that it will not reach, but it will reach. Do you have the heart? So I missed this because I'm waiting. I was expecting price to come back into the wrong place. Not that this is a wrong idea, but because of this gap here, this candle, the next candle determines if the fair value gap will be tapped in or will be rebalanced immediately. Remember this. Remember this, okay? Remember this. The next candle, okay? The next candle, yes. The next candle, which is what? The third candle. Is what determines if the gap or imbalance will be filled or balanced immediately. Okay, simple and short. You have seen that on my journal, and it is good. So the next candle determines if the fair value gap will be rebalanced immediately. And why did I say if? Okay, I'm expecting price to come back to this other block, this gap here, without noticing the next third candle. When I mean the next third candle, let me just clear this chart. I don't like, let's just make it look easy. nice and simple, Okay, I was expecting price to come back here. Well, I forget that there is a high probability gap here, which is in line with this breaker block here. This was this high here. This was a supply zone, so it acted as supply turn demand. If you are a supply and demand trader, you should have understand this on this scenario. So that is the narrative I was talking about. You have to pay attention to the candles, the participation of candles, because that is what defines the emotions or the motions of traders. Because what I'm seeing whenever I'm trading USDJPY, do you know what I'm seeing? I'm actually seeing myself present in that trade. That's why I chose my time frames. Once it's 12:30, I'm backing off. And within 12:30, you should have gotten just a piece of that puzzle. So imagine that I took a piece of the puzzle here, this entry, then I still entered here. It will be 2 trades, which will be 6R total, done for the day. Before New York section, you are done already. Okay, this is on filter, so I'm not going to edit anything. Okay, so now what are we still waiting for? Let's see if price will eventually reach to this our high here, our target, our take profit. Okay, let's wait. But meanwhile, hope you have journaled, because I'm already journaling. Okay, I don't waste time. Always look for the narrative, the arguments, because everything that is happening is an argument between buyers and sellers. That is my tips. Today is 31st. Remember, Thursday we have many news, unemployment claims and other things. We have them, so you have to pay attention to the news. That's why I chose London section. But because before I woke up 4. Before I wake up, everything has been resolved. Okay, so we are still waiting patiently for our target to hit. Meanwhile, while we are waiting, I will still have to add something for news. Okay, you can see that. You can see forest factory. I'm adding forest factory. You guys should pay attention to news for real. Without news, I don't believe our forest factory is finding it hard to load, but we are waiting patiently. So as we are waiting, I'm gonna play some songs in the background so we can enjoy our songs and look for the arguments. Look for the argument, guys. Look for the argument. There is nothing wrong with you having patience and knowing that you are a trader of patience. That is number one. P is patient. Okay. Have patience. Brass, have patience. Sis, have patience. And all of us will definitely we will make it one day. So don't worry, you guys should pay attention. Wait for my weekly outlook, like a review of what happened this week on Sunday. It will be dropping on Sunday. In fact, Sunday, is it good? Saturday, tomorrow on Saturday 5 p.m. my weekly reviews drops on YouTube. Part of it goes to TikTok, but YouTube most. See, I will show you guys step by step guide on. Don't worry, wait, you guys pay attention. Okay, step by step guide outlook on what made me to take the whole trades I took this week. We read it. We read USDJPY. That's why I'm telling you guys. It is good for you to be a master of one piece and enjoy the art, because what I'm seeing here is not science. It is an art. It is an art. And once you can be able to understand the art, you see that everything is still. You still find yourself being happy, enjoying most of it. I'm still waiting for this till it load. Okay. Oh, you can see exactly that. I can assure you that the movement I made, you can see that our JPY, they have policy, BOJ policy, which came exactly as forecast. So it had its own momentum in USD. Now the next will be 130, which is USDJPY. We have core price, unemployment, and employment cost index. I don't usually partake on this, or that is why I'm telling you guys that my aim is just 12:30, and we are already seeing it before 9 o'clock. Before London enters the market, I'm already inside the market. So why would I still give market what I have already taken? Nah, it is not good. So that is why I told you guys I'm a master. Mr. JPY is here, and on this channel I trade only USDJPY. Whenever I want to add up, I'll let you guys know that I want to add up. And for now, do enjoy my little music as we wait for the raid. Let's see if our target will hit or not. But I believe it will hit. This song is coming from our eastern side. I'm an east guy, so I play most of my eastern song. Let's see. Cash. Enjoy the song. Coming up by Lucy Q.
Also does a gang shit. The look classic song. Focus on the money. Focus on the money. I be on my back. I be on my home. I be on my home.
This is 10:30 and we can actually see that it's coming. Okay, I got news here. Let's read it up. They say dollar set for first monthly gain of 2025. You see that? Dollar set for the first monthly gain of 2025. Yen choppy after BOJ, Bank of Japan. This is from Reuters. I love reading everything. As far as it concerns USDJPY, I love reading them. So, as far as it concerns USDJPY, I love reading them. You see, dollar. So, anything that concerns USDJPY, so you have to calm down. Okay, look at their key points here. BOJ reverses up inflation forecast. Yen strengthened slightly. Dollar buoyant with year's first monthly gain in sight. Fed retaliates patient approach on rates. South Korea to face 15% US tariff. More trade deals await. So that's the key points, and during the day you have to calm down, read them to understand what is actually happening. So that is why you have to pay attention to anything that concerns your pair, so you know what is actually happening, not just that you are a trader. The next 1 hour 30 minutes or so, I'll be done and I'm off from this seat. I know you guys will be like, you still got more trades to take. That is greediness. I don't love greedy. So price is going actually slowly into my take profit, which means that USD has its strength. Okay, because that is what buy USD, sell GBP. I'm coming, guys. I don't like to stay on this chart, but let's see. Whoa! This is my sweetest song from this factory, from this album from Lucy Q. For real. Okay. I'm getting news now that it remains so a minute for 12:30 to click on, you know. so guys not inside. Not you up the outside. Not you get but Maserati. Ewe mia. No bubulu gati. Ewe mia. Okay enough. Edim the cha. I'm an Igbo. So sorry for the video and while I'm speaking, I don't say most of you guys don't hear what I speak. See, we are still going, remaining some kind of okay, another news just pop up right now. Another news just pop up right now on news on USDJPY. You know, I told you this is one thing I love most about trading view. They'll just give you that even if you want to hear it. Okay, now they said dollar hits 4-month top near 150 yen as Bank of Japan dents the yen with a rate hold. So means that what does this mean? Or as we that trades USDJPY, what does this mean? Okay, it means for me that dollar chases the USD mark, chases the yen mark. It means that dollar is now on hike, while JPY yen is still on hold for their rate. Okay, they say BOG hold, yen slips, which means that's what weakens yen, and that is the main reason. Because for me to enter buy it, look, let me give you a perspective that you guys don't even know. For you to press either buy or sell button, you must have in mind these two things. One, if you press buy, let me say buy button. What does this buy button means? It means what? You want to buy dollar in order to sell yen. I hope someone is understanding what I'm saying right now. When you press that buy button, you are buying dollar to sell yen, and when you press that sell button, what does it mean? It means you want to sell dollar in what? In order to buy yen. Simple scenario but difficult for people to understand. When each button you press, it has what it means. So for me, I bought dollar because I know that yen is sleeping. Why is yen sleeping? They didn't cut rate. The interest rate, they are holding it. They are holding interest rate back, and that is why dollar is still strengthening. Okay, let's just wait until unemployment claims for USD. Let's see if there will be a temporal short selling, because what I'm seeing here, we are still going boom, 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 boom. Okay, I hope you all have jotted this down. So for any button you wanna press, please be sure of what you are expecting. Be sure of what you are expecting, because if you are not sure of what you're expecting, I don't think anybody can do that for you. Okay, so any button you press has its own game, his own reason, its own narrative. Do you know that before pressing that button? Because if you don't know that, I don't think you have any reason to press any button. That is why people say I'm a trader, but I still haven't made any effort, because you are not paying attention. Fuck it, if you are paying attention, you would have understand this simple context that I've given you. Okay, I've just given you a very nice simple context that even a newbie, most of your mentors doesn't even acknowledge this. They didn't even tell you what it means. Okay, the up one is buy, sell button, the down one is buy. I'm just making it clear so you guys will see it well, not just for me to say it. We are still in 10:45 p.m. a.m. Sorry, 10:45 a.m. What? This is just the beginning of London section, and we have already been hitting TP, 2 TPs if we took entries from here. But with this, we just say 1 TP, which is 3R. Is that not amazing? Is that not amazing, guys? Is that not amazing? So who says that you can't just be a part-time and make money and just get out? I've been seated here from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 12:30. It is just how many hours? Just 4 hours. Seated here 4 hours enjoying my song as I am participating in my trading. It gives me clarity. Okay.
Yeah, we are getting me. I'm on my way. I don't know. 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 Somebody. I don't know.
Woo! Are you seeing this movement, guys? London just entered this market with a push, you know. Remember, you can still call me Mr. JPY. Enjoy trading with pen, yeah. Kaya
price no get me, no get China, got money, tem, magabadime, they don't care anywhere, me and my man with a big guy, I got more get more block this guy, me and my man no see that, no tell of you, no tell, ever see I blow them, if I need my young keep them, you would have got one of those, you got my love from no, I don't know, I can go to, I know from my job, my man, no joy, I'm going to go, this is what you ready, no joy, I got something you thought, see me see the left side, but I'm more about the big guy, no long thing, just vibe, me, I'm like I tell you once more,
Hope you are seeing this movement. How many pips remains for our CP to hit? And meanwhile, let me come to your notice, because I believe you might be waiting for one. Immediately price gave us this movement ahead here. We place our break even here. That is the fantastic step that you as a trader should take. Always take partial profit, which is you can also do it like placing break evens. Okay, don't wait for price to come back to your entry before you're done.
And many things and things pop. We do this of course. Me I don't kill. Me I don't run things. Me I don't count. Me I don't see things. Me I don't learn. 2020 good class. We all learn. Everything goes. Anything guys.
I just dig idea. How you know? People say. Mr. JPY is here. So sorry about my lights, you know. It shakes somehow. how many pips remains? We still have till 12:30, right? Yes, but I think we close the chat soon. Woo! Our TP hits. Fucking shit. Our TP just fucking hits now. I believe this next two candles I will close now. Once 11 o'clock, once it is 11, okay. I believe by then this our TP will officially close and this candle will close. But we have hit TP. We have hit our target at the moment now. We have hit a fucking target. Woo! I sent this to my Telegram channel, so click the link in the description box or on my channel to give us a follow on our channel. If you want to access our premium channel on WhatsApp for instant updates or anything, indicate by giving a text to the admin on our Telegram channel, then you will be added to our community on WhatsApp. We have hit our target. Woo! We have hit our target. We are done for the day, right? We are done. We have hit target, right? Woo! I missed the initial move, but I'm happy with this one that we got. On this live chat, we got it, and we all see. It's not yet 12 o'clock or 12:30, but we are already done with 2 TP. If we would have taken entry from the initial move I told you, but I'm good. I waited for my trade setup, I waited for my confirmation entries, and we are done. I waited for my trade setup, my confirmation entry, following all my trade rules, and boom, we made a history today. A live chat, and I got it. Here is my trade setup, my system. Okay, is always with me. On the next videos I'll be doing, I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you guys will also see it yourself and follow the instructions. And for now, I'll say it's nice being here with you guys. See you, and don't forget, every Saturday by 5 p.m. is our weekly review. Let's see what price did. Cheers, and remember, Mr. JPY.